Bas, mga magagaling na trader dyan. Dahil kung magaling ka talaga, TTF ang magbibigay sa'yo ng funded account para i-trade mo. Sa mga hindi pala nakakalam kung ano yung TTF or the trader funds, watch my previous video. So, paano ba yung gagawin? Meron tayong 6 steps para i-trade ang funded account. Step 1, evaluation. Dito mag-start ka na ipakita yung skills mo. Pwede mong gamitin yung Free Trading Academy para matulungan kang ipasa yung mga trading challenges in a risk-free demo environment. Step 2, verification. Once mapasa mo tong stage na to, mas magiging funded trader ka. And then step 3 is magiging TTF trader ka na. You can start payout up to 85% profit sharing. And actually, okay ka na sa step 3. But kung gusto mo pa ng next level, you can go to step 4, which is TTF Nova Trader. Dito, you can unlock 400k funded account with 90% profit sharing. Pero kung gusto mo pa ng mas advanced doon, step 5 is TTF Supernova Trader. You can pay out anytime, get a full ticket refund, experience with no drawdown, and enjoy unlimited withdrawals. And ito na, last level, step 6, or institutional trader. Sa mga ready nang maabot ang tugatog, ito yung final stage in which magiging professional ang iyong trading. You can trade under institutional trading conditions like tight spread na may attractive compensation. So, kung seryoso ka na nasimula ang iyong trading career, you can take the first step today and try. Join the challenge. Take note na every time na napapasa mo yung mga challenges, you can get full ticket refund. Register at the link below or sa comment section, or pwede mo rin gamitin ang link sa may bio ko.